Yeah, Luke's done amazingly well to come back so fast from his injury. You know, at one point they were talking about maybe never even riding again, or you know, being able to put on a cycling shoe and this and that. But yeah, to even just be racing as soon as he was back in February, March was phenomenal, really, and it shows the dedication and the commitment from him, and also from, you know, the team and everyone around him and the Welsh Institute and everything. So yeah, it's incredible to see how quickly he's come back, and then also to be here in the Tour. In that first week especially, he's great. He's you know, he gets stuck in and does everything for the team, and certainly commits, and you know, knows how to ride in the peloton, and you know, makes a bit of space for each other, and communicates really well, and then is obviously strong on the bike as well, and you know, can ride in the wind a lot and get myself and Froomey in the right positions for any stressful or technical moments, and so yeah, a great asset to the team.